The Crayons Trick or Treat, written by Drew Daywalt and illustrated by Oliver Jeffers. The crayons are ready for Halloween. They can't wait to fill their bags with treats.
You know what you're supposed to say on Halloween, right?
Of course we do.
Orange knocks on the first door.
Give us your candy, lady. I'm naked.
What?
Okay, that was all kinds of wrong.
Not to mention confusing.
It's a holiday, you guys. Think holiday. Now let's try that again.
Okay, we got this.
Yeah, no problem.
Green knocks on the next door.
Merry Christmas! Happy American Cheese Month!
Happy birthday!
I'm naked!
Okay, it's Halloween. We have to be polite too.
Oh, polite. Okay, we get it now.
Gray knocks on the door after that.
Happy Halloween, please.
I'm naked, thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Points for good manners, I guess.
It's a scary holiday, everyone.
Ah, scary. Okay, I got this one.
White knocks on the door.
Pew! Eek!
That's not quite what I meant.
It was close, though.
Gray steps forward again.
Wait! Repeat after me. Trick or treat.
There we go.
The crayons all knock on the door.
Trick or treat!
And also, pew! It's behind you.